Hi guys, today we're going to solve a practice problem involving fluid flow. So previously we already discussed the basic equations that we are going to use whenever we are dealing with fluid flow, and we also discussed about the continuity equation in a separate video. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung mga previous videos natin about the basic equations of the fluid flow and the continuity equation, better to have a review on those topics. Makikita nyo naman yan sa mga videos natin sa ating YouTube channel. But right now, we're going to solve a problem para naman ma-practice natin yung mga natutunan natin in our previous video. So first, let us read our problem. Two gaseous streams containing the same fluid enters a mixing chamber and leave as a single stream. So makikita natin yan dito sa ating illustration dito sa baba. So meron tayong dalawang entering stream and we have a mixing chamber kung saan lalabas dito sa ating third stream yung ating mixed gases into a single stream. Okay? So, for the first gas, the entrance condition are A1 is equal to 500 square meters. So, this is the cross-section area of our stream. The velocity in our first stream is 130 meter per second. And the density of our gas is 1.6 kg per cubic meters. For the second gas, the entrance conditions are the mass flow rate in our stream 2 is equal to 8.84 kg per second. Our specific volume is equal to 0.502 cubic meter per kilogram. And our cross-sectional area in stream 2 is equal to 400 square centimeter. And then the exit stream condition is having a velocity of 130 meter per second and a specific volume of 0.437 cubic meter per kilogram. And then we need to determine the following. So first, we need to find the total mass flow leaving the chamber. So yung mass flow rate natin dito sa ating third stream. And we also need to get the velocity of gas 2. Okay? So, para hindi tayo malito, gamitin muna natin itong ating illustration. Let us write yung mga given values natin. Ano? So, unahin natin itong ating first gas. No? Itong ating stream 1, we will have our gas 1. So, yan yung pumapasok dito sa ating first stream. Okay? So, isulat muna natin lahat ng ating mga conditions. Okay? So, dito sa ating first stream, our area is 500 square centimeter. Okay, so A1 is equal to 500 centimeter squared. Our velocity of the fluid is equal to, so this is V1, the velocity is equal to 130 meters per second. And the density of our gas in gas 1 is 1.6 kilogram per cubic meters. Okay? And then, dito naman sa ating gas 2, we also need to identify yung mga given natin. And, of course, pumapasok siya dito sa ating second stream. No? So, i-label na natin to. Ito yung ating first stream. Ito yung ating second stream. And this is our third stream. So, dito lumalabas yung ating mixture. Alright, so sulatin natin yung mga conditions sa ating stream 2, yung gas 2 natin. So, sabi dito, for the second gas, the entrance conditions are, so, our mass 2. So, yung mass flow rate ng ating gas is, we have here, 8.84 kilogram per second. And then, we have our specific volume, which is equal to 0.502 cubic meter per kilogram. And then, yung area, okay, our cross-sectional area in stream 2, we have 400 square centimeters. Okay, so, kailangan na lang natin i-determine is itong ating exit stream. Okay, so let us label this. This is our exit stream. And then, sulat muna natin yung mga given natin para hindi tayo malito. Our exit stream condition is, we have our velocity 3, which is equal to 130 meter per second. our specific volume, which is 0.437 cubic meters per kilogram. Okay, so ano yung mga hinahanap natin? Sulat na rin natin yung mga required para alam na natin. So, yung total mass flow leaving the chamber. So, kailangan natin makuha yung mass 3. Di natin alam yan. And then, kailangan din natin makuha yung velocity of gas in stream 2, no? So, kailangan natin makuha yung V2. We do not know that. So, yan yung mga required natin. Alright, so nasulat na natin lahat ng given natin. It's now time to calculate for their values. Alright, so una na nating hanapin itong M3, which is the total mass flow leaving our chamber, no? So, sulat muna natin yan. So, M3 is the total mass flow leaving the chamber. Okay, so we learned sa previous video natin that in fluid flow, we are applying the law of conservation of mass. So that means the total mass of the gas entering our stream 1 and the total mass of the gas entering our stream 2 will be equal to the mass leaving dito sa ating exit stream. So therefore, the mass of our gas in stream 1 plus the mass of our gas in stream 2 will be equal to the mass of our gas in stream 3. Okay, so alam natin yung value ng M2, di ba? Which is 8.84 kilogram per second, di ba? So we have M1 plus M2, which is 8.84 kilogram per second, which is equal to M3. Alright, so we are looking for our M3, no? So hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung value ng M1, but we have this given information here. And we can find yung mass ng ating gas dito sa ating stream 1 by applying yung natutunan nating equation sa previous video, which is mass is equal to the density of the fluid times the velocity of the fluid and the cross-sectional area ng ating stream. So, hinahanap natin yung ating M1. So, we will have M1 is equal to density 1 times velocity 1 times A1, ano? So, substitute lang natin yung mga values natin. So, our density 1 is 1.6 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, so we have 1.6 kilogram per cubic meter times our velocity in stream 1, given din yan. Velocity in stream 1 is 130 meter per second. No? So, 130 meter per second. And then, yung ating cross-sectional area in stream 1. So, we have 500 square centimeter. No? So, 500 centimeter squared. Okay, pero lahat ng ating unit is in meters. So, kailangan natin i-convert itong ating area. So, for every 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter and this will be squared. Okay, so if you're going to look at our units, we have centimeter squared here. Dito naman centimeter, but it will be squared also. So, this will be cancelled out. Now, for our cubic meter, in our numerator, we have meter here and then we have meter here. But this will be squared. So, this will become cubic meter. So, our cubic meter will be cancelled out as well. So, ang may iwan sa atin na unit is kilogram per second. So, we have a mass flow rate dito sa ating answer. No? So, we can now calculate for the value of M1. Okay, so let us use our calculator para mapabilis yung ating computation. So, we have 1.6 times 130. And then, let's multiply that to 500. And then, divide it to 100 squared. No? So, 100 squared sa denominator will be equal to 10.4, no? So, we have 10.4 kilogram per second para sa ating M1. Okay, so we're going to substitute now that dito sa ating equation na nasa itaas, no? So, our M1 is equal to 10.4 kilogram per second plus our 8.84 kilogram per second para sa ating M2, and this will be equal to M3, no? So therefore, our M3 is equal to 10.4 plus 8.84, which is 19.24 kilogram per second, no? So nasagutan na natin yung ating first requirement, which is to find yung ating mass in our exit stream, no? So nasagutan na natin to. Okay, so our mass here is equal to 19.24 kilogram per second. So, kailangan na lang natin makuha is yung ating velocity in stream 2. Okay, so we're going to use the same equation. Now, we have M is equal to density times velocity times area. But since we will be working on stream 2, so we will have here the mass in stream 2 is equal to the density of the gas in stream 2 times the velocity of the gas in stream 2 and the area or the cross-sectional area in our stream 2. Now, we do not know the density of our gas in stream 2. Okay? Pero given naman sa atin ang specific volume niya, which is 0.502 cubic meter per kilogram. And it is just the inverse of our density, di ba? So we will have our M2, which is equal to our velocity of the fluid in stream 2 times the area in stream 2 over our specific volume in stream 2. Okay, so given yung mass ng ating gas sa stream 2, alam din natin yung cross-sectional area in our stream 2, and we know our specific volume. Ang kailangan natin makuha is yung velocity ng ating fluid in stream 2. So, we need to isolate yung ating V2, okay, para makompute natin yung kanyang value. So, our V2 is equal to M2 times our specific volume at stream 2 over our area at stream 2. Okay? So, ngayon, substitute natin yung mga values natin. So, ano yung M2 natin? Yung mass ng ating fluid in stream 2. 8.84 kilogram per second. No? So, we have 8.84 kilogram per second times our specific volume. Ano yung ating specific volume? We have 0.502 cubic meter per kilogram. So, 0.502 cubic meter per kilogram over our area, no? So, yung area natin in stream 2 is 400 square centimeter, no? So, we have 400 centimeters squared, but we need to convert this into square meters, no? So, for every 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter, and we need to square that. Alright, so kung i-check natin yung ating mga units, makikita natin that our centimeter squared will be cancelled out. Our kilogram here will be cancelled out. And dito naman sa denominator, magkakaroon tayo ng meter squared, no? Because naka-squared tayo rito. And since naka-cubic meter tayo dito, may maiwan pa sa atin isang meter sa ating unit, no? So, we will have a unit of meter per second. Alright, so sasagutan na natin siya, no? So, sagutan muna natin yung numerator and the denominator para naman may pakita natin ng maayos yung naging result ng ating computation, ano? So, unahin natin yung nasa numerator. We have 8.84 times 0.502. So, we have 4.438. And then, for our denominator, we have 400 divided by 100 squared. So, we have 0.04. And then, ang unit natin dito will be meter per second, diba? Alright, so, by working on this, makukuha na natin yung value ng ating velocity 2, which will be equal to 4.438 divided by 0.04. So, we have 110.95 meter per second. So, this is our final answer here. Nakuha na natin yung velocity ng ating fluid in stream 2. Nakuha na rin natin yung mass ng ating mixed gases. So, this is how we solve problems similar to this, no? Applying yung mga natutunan natin sa basic equations ng fluid flow. Okay, so we will try to have more problem in fluid mechanics and hydraulics sa mga susunod pa natin mga video. So, that's all for now. Thank you very much and have a nice day. To watch more of our lecture videos about engineering and STEM subjects, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload namin. We are regularly uploading tutorial videos in engineering, mathematics, chemistry, physics, at iba pang subject na magagamit ninyo sa inyong pagre-review. So, thank you very much sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa enginerds.org.